to fix your Apex Legend cannot add friends. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your server status. You want to visit EA Help or go to @Play Apex on X to check if there are any server related issues. If not, make sure that you're signed in into the correct EA account and log out and back if needed. You might also need to verify your privacy settings. Go to your settings, gameplay, and privacy, and simply make sure that allow friend request is turned on and set who can send friend requests to everyone. You might also need to go to settings, gameplay, and make sure that crossplay is enabled. You can't add friends on a different platform if crossplay is off. If nothing works, try restarting the game, restarting your router, or even contact their support team at help.ea.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.